Good morning, friends. Today I am here to talk about the experiential learning and some basic reasons to know about the experiential learning and how it is going to be the future of learning. Let me tell you, experience, so many of our seniors and other persons speak about experience. Now, in 2018, CBSE kept it as the basic theme of learning, that is experiential learning. So, we all must promote it in our teaching learning process so that in future its overall impact influence may be positive. Let me tell you, some reasons are there by which we must promote it and we must know its importance in our teaching learning. First point is accelerate learning. As we know, in our Indian education system, repetitive learning or learning by rote has long been continued. Now, in our new education system, we must promote learning by doing. So, experiential learning methodology uses critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making to deliver a training module. This has become an established method to accelerate learning. It means it is helpful to accelerate learning. Second point, provides a safe learning environment. Simulations use a real life scenario that depicts several challenges which a participant will eventually face after the course completion. It is natural that mistakes happen during the course of learning, and using simulation is like taking kid to the playground and getting them to have fun, try new things and learn in safe controlled environment. Well, third point, it bridges the gap between theory and practice by moving beyond theory to the real of learning by doing. The trainee gets a first hand experience of practicing what has been taught. This plays a crucial role in retaining concepts and ideas. Fourth point, it talks about produces demonstrable mindset changes. There are very few learning methods that can have a dramatic impact on the participant's mindset. Experiential learning is one of them. Management guru Henry Mintzberg pointed out long ago that leadership, like swimming, cannot be learned by reading about it. Well, next point talks about increases engagement levels. So, high focus and collaboration and learning from each other benefits the participants as it increases engagement. On the other hand, since the participant is immediately involved in the problem solving activity or event, the level of ownership of the outcomes is high. Sixth point talks about delivers exceptional return on investment. Experiential learning is personal and effective in nature, influencing both feeling and emotions as well as enhancing knowledge and skills. It goes beyond classroom learning and ensures that there is high level of retention, thereby delivering exceptional role over a traditional learning program. We have seventh point, which talks about assessing the effectiveness of a training program in terms of the benefits to the trainee. And the company is a crucial element of any learning program. Most assessments are data driven, and traditional tools use tests to measure effectiveness. When it comes to experiential learning programs, it is extremely difficult to gather data which can be used for assessments. This is where analytics come in when combined with the simulation and gamification. Experiential learning products become a powerhouse of data which can be used to deliver assessment results accurately across cognitive learning, skills affect and objective results. The analytics engines in these simulations record, analyze and provide a detailed report of the participants' interaction throughout the simulation. Well, we have last and eighth point, enables personalized learning. In order to enable personalized learning, every program needs to enable a journey through the following phases: assessment, teaching and learning strategy, the curriculum choice. Experiential learning methodology is highly effective in meeting these requirements to enable personalized learning. It is a radical departure from traditional learning methods and takes learning beyond the classroom. The participants set their own learning pace by combining technology and simulations with experiential learning. Companies are making this concept available anytime and anywhere across multiple devices, and this has introduced the concept of flipped classroom where the learning goes to the students and not the other way. Let me tell you about flipped classroom, when students are allowed to teach in the class and teacher just observe his or her teaching methodology. So, well, this is all about the experiential learning to improve our teaching. Thanks. Have a nice time. Well, this is Harikesh Sharma, and I am presenting this experiential learning program on the behalf of Liberty Solutions. So have a great time. Thank you.